in the gift shop.
Wow. If you read the owner's manual, it tells you to use a 3/8 drive in the 3/8 socket hole, not a socket hole, but the 3/8 hole here, to remove the tension, and a long-handled ratchet or other drive device, you can take the tension off very simply. Once you remove the
There's simply 2 levers we pull,
you pull this back, and it falls right out.
and it comes right off.
And then you got it. Turning. Well, that ain't What? We gotta get it off the back.
Engine pulley came off nicely. We've now got to work on the pulley for the transaxle. We took out the battery box, and there's a nut we're going to try to free up on the fan.
I mean, this is just...
So this belt's missing a big chunk, which is why Byron's fixing it. He was able to get it off. Let's look in. We can see the pulley, and there are a couple of retainers on either side that try to keep that belt right in place. We didn't take the pulley all the way off. We simply loosened it, and we were able to put the belt on quite nicely with the battery gone. Those side retainers bend just enough to let the belt go on. Put a new Kevlar belt back on. Went on pretty easily, and now he's going to screw on the
clutch.
Right, the front clutch. The pulley right now is loose and moves up and down. That's how we got the belt on.
There's a key way. Oops,
It's a power takeoff clutch.
Where'd that spring go? Seems to fit nice.
Yeah, there's a spring that keeps the power takeoff clutch from rotating, so Byron took that spring back up. All that remains now is to tighten everything up. Boy, you make this look easy. We've got some special switchel, I believe.
Yeah.
Honey flavored, maple syrup
Oh yeah,
flavored.
she also likes the biscuit war. How's the biscuit war going?
Kevin and Lisa, you should have been here today. This looks really good.
That's maybe Jack over there, the young box bar.